Hello, today let's talk about dichotomy. Last time we talked about antithesis. Today let's talk about something similar in terms of concept. So, dichotomy is the division of things or ideas or themes into two distinct and often contradictory groups. So, for example, a lot of short stories geared towards young readers or learners are always presenting a simple division between bad and good. So that's a dichotomy, good versus bad. Usually the heroes represent the good and the villains represent the bad. Its function is that it allows people to understand things in an easy and digestible manner. Another example would be in terms of theme. For example, in my DP2 classes right now, we are reading Chinua Achebe's No Longer at Ease. And my students are analyzing the dichotomy between tradition and modernity. Because the protagonist there, Obe Okonkwo, is given a Western education. However, it clashes with traditional Nigerian beliefs. So that's dichotomy, two distinct categories.